We've got George Foreman in the house, one of the greatest boxers, and I've got one of his latest fat reducing grill. So let's check this out. Welcome back guys to ZRK Reviews, and today what we're going to be unboxing, setting up and trying out is the George Foreman fat reducing grill. This is the Evolve Family 5-portion grill. Now previously I did purchase a George Foreman grill, which is this one here. It carries the same features as the George Foreman Evolve. The only difference that I can see is that this one carries ceramic plates, and also you can add different plates towards it. So let's check out its features and let's set this up. So this contains removable dishwasher plates which are easy to clean. You will get a set of ceramic grill plates, one set of the omelette plate and a deep bake pan which are all non-stick. On the side there is a hinge to adjust the angle of cooking, LED timer and temperature control. The sear function is a heat booster to your cooking. Additional plates you can purchase are the waffle, muffin, grill slider plates and the shallow griddle pan. Colors that come in are black, red, copper and grey. The warranty is 3 years and you can get an extra year by registering your product on their website. Price do range in between £110 to £174.99. Best to shop around before making your purchase. So guys, this is what you get inside the box. You get the George Foreman Evolve grill in the color that you like. Inside you get your ceramic grill plates. You also get 2 omelette plates, one for the top, one for the bottom. You'll get a deep pan plate for all your baking and cooking. You will also get a fat removing tray. Also you'll get your instruction manuals with all different kind of recipes for you to try out. So once plugged in, this is how it looks. You have your on and off button. Click on this and it will bring up the default settings in heating up your grill. While the temperature display is flashing, you can adjust it by clicking on the increase or decrease button. Lowest you can go is 145 degrees and the highest is 220 degrees. Click on the temperature and timer button and now you have both displays flashing. With this you can control the time. The sear function gives you a boost of heat in your cooking. Once the timer is done, you will hear 4 beeps. Press the off button once done and this will cool your grill down. So I've kicked off with cooking some chicken burgers. It took me roughly 10 minutes on a 190 mark to cook. I also use the sear function for 1 minute to give you a quick boost to cook. And as you can see on the burgers, they got the grill marks, the fat has been sliding off and they look and taste good too. The grease and fat can be easily cleaned off by using a cloth, tissue or cleaning sponge. Right, time for my favorite dessert, which are waffles. Now I've used basic batter mix which you can get from the supermarket. Not the very best, but let's give this a shot. Let's put this on for 9 minutes with a 190 mark. From the back of the grill you can see that it will steam up, so do be careful where you are placing the grill. Let's check this out. Not the very best waffles I can see, but it's got its shape. This is what I love about the non-stick plates, easy peeling. Right, let's try this again. This time we'll pour the batter everywhere. Oh yes, these waffles are nice, sweet, tasty and crunchy. Not the very best, but this is my first attempt making waffles. But I'm sure I can do better than this, and I'm sure you can create better waffles than this. So I'll have another go at this later on. But while I'm making more waffles in here, let's see how this one turns up. Oh yes, look at this. We're on the right shape. The depth is thin. Maybe it's because of the batter did not have much self-raising flour in it. But this is looking good and crispy. Time to decorate it with some strawberries, scoops of ice cream, and chocolate and strawberry sauce. Looking delicious. Now that is a dessert to munch upon. Right, time for some more cooking. And this time we're trying out the deep bake pan. And in this we'll try making an omelette bake. Let's quickly preheat this first. I've added a bit of cooking oil, but it's not necessary, you have to. Add some spring onions, bit of cheese and tomatoes. Spread some grated cheese on top to give that extra thickness and taste. Now let's bake this for 10 minutes on a 190 mark. Nearly there, looking nice and fluffy. I'll just give it a smear for 2 minutes and you can see its golden crust is raising up. Looking delicious. Right, I need to carefully slide this out now. And there you have it, an omelette bake packed with spring onions, tomatoes and cheese using 3 eggs. Right, next time to grill some beef. Preheat first. Just remember to note down the minutes and temperature you use to cook your dishes perfectly, as it does state in the manual, but as we say, practice makes perfect. Looking good guys, you can hear the sizzling sound. Having this on for 10 minutes on 190 mark with a smear of 2 minutes. You can on and off the smear function anytime you want. Look at all the fat that came out. I've added a bit of cooking oil too, so that has remained. This grill states it removes 42% of the fat and looks like it's doing its job. I had the grill tilted so the fat can roll down the tray. 2 pieces of beef cooked perfectly well in this grill and ready to be eaten. So I've given some of these trays a try and the results are impressive. Cooking different dishes in this grill will certainly impress the guests. Cooking different meals are endless with the George Foreman Evolved Grill. The preheat time is quick. The adjustable lever is a good idea to level or tilt your food. Inside and out is built securely. Some improvement points to look at. The power lead is small and sometimes the plates can be a bit flimsy once attached. And the list goes on in cooking different kind of delicious dishes using these additional plates. So guys, I had my fun in trying out different delicious dishes that I have made using the George Foreman Evolved Grill and using the additional plates that you get with it. The waffle plate set cost me roughly about £15, as I believe that will be the same price as the additional plates that you can purchase. And this little body here is packed up with 1700 watts of power. So I don't know how it will look like on your electricity bill, but this little body here does the job and cooks the meals in no time. Now I'm not the very best cook out there, but these dishes look damn delicious and I can't wait to munch on these and try them out. So guys, while I taste this out, I hope you enjoyed this setup and review, and if you got any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I should catch you in the next one. Peace. This is delicious. Should make a couple more of these.